Inside this New York restaurant, you can hear the sound of forks on plates, water pouring, soup being sipped, plates on tables, but no talking. The restaurant is called Eat. It's in the trendy Greenpoint neighborhood in Brooklyn. Chef Nicholas Nauman got the idea from a trip abroad.
I spent some time in a Buddhist monastery in India when I was in college, and we had silent breakfast every day.
He wanted to give diners a chance to focus on the food. It's a fixed price menu that starts at 8 p.m. So after people place their orders, there is no talking until the four-course meal is over. For some people, it was romantic. Others were contemplating.
I was probably concentrating more on food than otherwise, but I was happy that there was no conversation.
This man stepped outside so he could conceal the sound of having to blow his nose. This woman was doing everything she could to contain a case of the giggles.
Yeah, I would definitely get in trouble for school for laughing when it was silent, so I'm not the best person for that.
If someone needed the salt test or a water refill, the request had to be made without words.
We made a lot of facial expressions, we found other ways of communicating that weren't verbal.
The silent meals are held Sunday nights a couple of times a month. The rest of the time, it's a regular restaurant. Ted Shaffrey, Associated Press, New York.